Hello guys and welcome back to Tech Tricks tutorial. In today's video, I'll show you how to use the green screen effect on TikTok to make fun and creative videos. This lets you put yourself in front of any background without needing a real green screen. First, open the TikTok app and tap the plus button to start creating a new video. Next, go to Effects at the bottom left and search for Green Screen. You'll see different options, but the main one is the icon with a person and a green background. Tap on it. Now choose your background. TikTok will let you select an image or video from your gallery. Pick the one you want to appear behind you. Adjust your position. Drag and resize yourself on the screen to fit your scene. If you want a more natural look, try to match your lighting with your background. Start recording. Press and hold the record button while you talk or act. If you want to switch backgrounds mid-video, just tap the green screen effect again and choose a new image or clip. Finally, edit and post. Add any filters, text, or music, then tap next to write your caption and upload your video. And that's it! You've successfully used the TikTok green screen effect. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tricks. See you in the next one.